Namaste. Today we will discuss the 6th class of computer basics. Yesterday we have discussed how to convert decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers and hexadecimal to decimal numbers. As it is taking long process, we will go for smart method. Yesterday also we discussed some smart methods for number conversions. In the smart method, we will follow series method for decimal to binary and binary to decimal to binary. 3-digit method for octal to binary to octal, and 4-digit method for hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. What is series method? In series method we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024 and so on. 1024 and so on. This is multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 9, 2 to the power of 10, and so on, What is 2 to the power of 11? 2048. 2 to the power of 11, 2048. Like this, we will follow the series method. It is used to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Yesterday we have seen one example. Today we will see some other examples in series method. Now 5, we are taking 5-digit number 5626 of decimal number is equal to which number in binary number? Okay, in binary. For this we will follow the series method. What is series method? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and 512 on 024. As 526 is less than 1024, will not consider this number. How to get 526? 526 is equal to 512 now plus 512 plus 8, 520 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 526. 512 plus 8, 520, 520 plus 4, 524 plus 2, 526. That means we will take these numbers only. For 512 we will write 1, 256 under 256 we will write 0, 128 0, 64 0. We have to make these as zeros. We make these as zeros. Okay, 16 0 and 8 1 4 1 2 1 again 16 0 8 1 4 1 2 1 1 0. The numbers which are using are we take as ones, remaining cell we place zeros. Now multiply. 512 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So that equivalent to 526 is equivalent to 1000001110. This is equivalent to 526. Equivalent to what is it? 526 equivalent binary number is 1000011110. 110 is equivalent number in binary. Like this, we will follow the series method. Again, we'll take another number. We'll take another number. (920) of decimal number is equal to which number in binary? Now 920. Now write the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1048, 24, 12048. As 2024 is greater than 920, will up to 512 will take the numbers. So what are the numbers to add? 512, 512. Next 256. 512 plus 256 is equal to 768. 768 128. 768 into 128. 768 into plus 128. 896. 896 plus 32. 8. Now this is not suitable. This is not okay. Now 896. 896 plus 16. 896 plus 16. 12. 16 is there. 16 is there. Okay. Now 8 is there. So this is combination of 512 plus 20, 256 plus 128. Okay. Plus 16 plus 8. 512, 256, 128 and 16 and 8. Remaining are not required. So what is the binary number? 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. So binary number is 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is equivalent binary number for decimal number 920. If you practice, we will get easily. If you practice, we will get easily. Now, we will take another example. 4-digit number in decimal number. 4-digit decimal number is 1020. 1028. 1018. Yes, number equivalent. We have to find out equivalent binary number. Now 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. As 1028 is less than 2048, we will not consider this one. So if 1024 will take, again we need 4. Okay, 4. Remaining we will place 1 1 on top of the required numbers. In place of other numbers we will take zeros. Take zeros. So what is decimal number? What is the binary equivalent for 1028? 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 0 0. 1 is the binary equivalent for 1028 decimal number. Okay. Now we will take conversion binary to decimal. We will follow the same series method. We will follow the same series. Binary to decimal. We will follow the same series method. 1 1 1 0 of binary is equal to which decimal number? Okay, we will follow the series method. 1 2 4 8 60 32 64. Okay, 110 110 110. We write. So as it is it contains 3 digits, we will take 3 digits, multiply 0 2 4 0 2 4. That means add. That means 6 110 binary number is equal to 6 in decimal number. 6 in decimal number. Now take another one. Take another one. 1 1 1 0 or 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now write it. 1 0 1 0 1. 4 digits. As it is contain 4 digits, now we will restrict to up to 8. Multiply 0 2 0 8. Add. This is called 10. This is called 10 in decimal number. So 1010 in binary is equal to 10 in decimal number. 10 in decimal number. Now we will take 1111 in binary is equal to which number in decimal number? Okay. How many digits? 4 digits also. We will take 4 number in decimal number. 1 1 1 1. Multiply. Now 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 4 plus 15. 15 in decimal number. 15 in decimal number. Now we will take another one. 1 0 1 0 triple 1 0 in binary is equal to which number? Decimal number. We will take how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 8. So we will take 8. 4 8 16 32 64 128. We will take 0. Write it. 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now multiply these numbers. Now 0 2 4 8 0 32 0 128. Add 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So 130 plus 40. 174. 174 in decimal number. 174 in decimal number. Like this, we will convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal by using series method instead of going for traditional method. Now we will take octal to binary. Octal to binary. Octal to binary. And binary to octal. Binary to octal. First First we take octal to binary. Octal to binary. We'll follow 3-digit method. 3-digit method. What is 3-digit method? Suppose if we take 7 in octal number, is it equal to which number in binary number? Which number in binary number? Observe here. What are the digits in octal number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum digit is 7. For 0, we will take 3 digits. 1 in binary, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. We can write 1 as 1. We can 2 as 0, 1, 0. We can write 4 as 0, 1, 1. 3. We can write 4 as 1, 0, 0. We can write 5 as 1, 0, 1. We can write 6 as 1, 1, 0. We can write 7 as 1, 1, 1. This is the 3-digit method. That means for 0 in octal number is equivalent to binary number is 3 zeros. 1, 0, 0, 1. 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. 7, 3 ones. So 7 is equivalent to what? 111. 111 in binary number system. 111 in binary number system. Now take two digits. Take two digits. Example 16 in octal number system is equal to which number in binary number system? 1, 6. You have to write 3 digits for this one. Okay. 0, 0. For 6, it is 1, 1, 0. What about 1? 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. For 1, that means 0. For 0, it is 3 zeros. 1, 0, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. 7, 1, 1. This is the chart. This is the chart. For 6, it is 1, 1, 0. For 1, it is 0, 0, 1. Now, combine this. What is the equivalent binary number for 16? It is 1, 1, 1, 0. There is no value for the 2 digits because they are on the left side. So, this is the equivalent binary number for octal number 16. 1, 1, 1, 0. Next, we will take another number. 111. 128 in octal is equal to which number binary? 128. 1, 2, 8. What is the 3-digit number for 8? Sorry, there is no 8 digit in 127. There is what is equivalent to 7? 3 ones. What is for 0, 1, 0? For 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we will write 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. We will remove these 2 digits. These are binary equivalent for 127 in octal number. Okay. So 127 in octal number is equal to 1010. 1 in the binary number system. Okay, we will take another example. 256, 256, 2561 in octal number system is equivalent to which number in binary? Which number in binary? 2561. For 1 it is 001. For 6 it is 110. For 5 it is 101. For 2 it is 1010. 010. Now 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. Remove this 0. This is the equivalent for 2561 of octal number is equivalent to this binary number. Now how to convert? We'll see how to convert binary to octal. Binary to octal. Binary to octal. Binary to octal. We'll use same 3-digit method. We'll use 3-digit, same 3-digit method. Now take 1 0 of binary is equal to which octal number? Which octal number? We'll follow same 3-digit method. 0 0 0 for 0, 0 0 1 for 1, 0 1 0 for 2, 0 1 1 for 3, 1 0 0 for 4, 1 0 1 for 5, 1 0 1 1 0 for 6, 1 1 1 for 7. 1 0. We can write it as 0 1 0. 0 1 0. What is 0 1 0 in? 2 of it. Okay. Now 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now 1 1 0 1. Take 3 digits. First take 3 digits. First take from left hand side. Take 3 digits. Okay. Now what is value of 101? 101 is 5. What is 1? 1. You can place 0 0 again. If you want, you can place 0 0. There is no value for 0 0 adding. Now we'll take 1 5. 1 5 is the octal number. 1 5 is the octal number. Now take another example. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 binary is equal to which number in octal number system? 1 0, write it 1 0 1 0 1 1. Group 3 digits. Group 3 digits. We don't have third digit, write 0. Now 0 1 1. What is it? 0 1 1 3. This is 3. What is 1 0 1? It is 5. What is 0 1 0? It is 2. So 253 in octal number system. Like this, we can convert octal numbers to binary numbers octal by using 3-digit method. 3-digit method. Now we'll see how to convert hexadecimal number to binary to hexadecimal. We'll use 4-digit method. Hexadecimal to binary, and we'll use 4-digit method. 4-digit method. 4-digit method. That means for 1, for 0 0 0 0 0, for 1 0 0 0 1, for 2 0 0 1 0, for 3 0 1 0 0 1 1, for 4 0 1 0 0, for 5 0 1 0 1, 6 0 1 1 0, 7 0 1 1, 8 1 4 3 zeros, 9 1 0 0 1, 10 1 0 1 0, 11 1 0 1 1, 12 A B C 1 1 0 0, D 1 1 0 1, E 1 1 1 0, F 1 1 1 1. This is 4-digit method. This is a 4-digit method. The equivalent, this is the hexadecimal digits. These are the equivalent binary numbers, binary digits. Take an example. 26 in hexadecimal number is equivalent to which number? Binary. Okay. 26. What is the 6 equivalent? 0, 1, 1, 0. What is 2 equivalent? 0, 0, 1, 0. Group, combine or combine. Okay. There is no value for 0, 0, 0. This is the binary number equivalent to 26 in hexadecimal. So 26 in hexadecimal number is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 in binary. Next, take another example. Take another example. Example 256 in hexadecimal number is equal to which number in binary? 256. Write it 256. What is 6 digits here? Equivalent binary 0, 1, 1, 0, 5. What is equivalent binary number? 0, 1, 0, 1. What is 2 equivalent? 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Combine 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. These 2 digits does not contain any value. So this is the binary number for 256 in hexadecimal. So 256 in hexadecimal number is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 in binary number system. This is the next. We'll take another example. 2A of hexadecimal number is equal to which number in binary number system? 2A. What is 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is E? 1, 0, 1, 0. Combine 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. There is, these 2 digits do not carry any value. So we write as 2A in hexadecimal number system is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 in binary number system. Now we will see binary to hexadecimal. Binary to hexadecimal. Binary to hexadecimal. One zero one zero of binary is equal to which number in hexadecimal? Now write it 1010. 1010 is equal to A. So 1010 in the binary number system is equal to A in hexadecimal number system. Now 1011 in binary number system is equal to which number in hexadecimal? We will write 101010. We will group 4 digits. We will group 4 digits. Okay. So 1011. 1011. 1011 is B. What about 10? We can add 2 zeros for this 2 digits. Okay, it doesn't have any value, so we can add. What is 10 value? Is 2. 2B in hexadecimal. 2B in hexadecimal. Next, we will take another example. 111100001111 of binary number system is equal to which number in hexadecimal number system? 1111001111. We group 3 digits. Group 3. Now 111 is F. 111 3 zeros. 130 is 8. Out of 3 111. 111 is 7. 111 is 7. So 78 F is the equivalent hexadecimal number in for this binary number. Like this, we can convert the numbers, decimal number to binary, binary number to decimal, then octal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal to binary, and binary to hexadecimal. Why do we want this number system, and how? Why we need this conversion? Means, if we want to purchase a laptop, what parameters or what components we'll see? We look for RAM and hard disk and processor. We look for processor, RAM and hard disk. As we discussed earlier, all the alphabets and numbers are converted to zeros and ones only. Zeros and ones only. Suppose the alphabet A is converted to zeros and ones. B should be converted to zeros because CPU understands, that means computer system understands only zeros and ones. So these alphabets and digits or numbers, symbols, whether it is mathematical symbols, chemistry symbols or physics symbols, should be converted to zeros and ones. So by using some coding system, what we will convert these alphabets and numbers and digits, symbols are converted to zeros and ones. What is the coding system is? ASCII code. ASCII code. What is ASCII? Full form of ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. To convert the alphabets, numbers, symbols, system follows the ASCII code. ASCII code. That means, what is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. By following this code, these alphabets, numbers and symbols are converted to zeros and ones. Today we will continue the same class. Thank you.